Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video is the U1000 for Infiniti g35. So the problem could be brake fluid. If it's low, can cause this problem too. If you have bad ECU or bad connection, you can do this code too. And even you have wire ground, you have to clean them and make sure it's clean and put it back. Make sure the battery connection is good condition, doesn't have corrosion or anything else. Also, you have to check all the wire, have to clean them and put it back into the car because all this problem caused by wire sometimes. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem and you start the car back. So guys, when you have the dash, all dash like that, or the EBS and the truck there, and you have the code. Let's see. Cannot scream see good. Okay, like that. So what you have to do, you need a scanner and you have to go to the code U1000, scan it, then reset it. After we reset everything, I gotta show you a trick, and after you do the trick what I told you guys, and all these lights gotta go away. So let's try and start the car, see if the car is gonna be starting. Yeah, the car ran now, but stays to have a light on. So what we gotta do now, so we gotta turn the key off from the car and go disconnect the OBD. And what you have to do now to reset all this code that doesn't stay in your computer, we gotta remove the negative sides. This is if the car doesn't start too. No, remove the negative sides. Stay with me until I remove that. So what you do now, you disconnect the battery and screw it. So we have to reset the ECU. Okay, disconnect this one here. Okay, put it on the side like that and go inside the car. And what you have to do, be on a brake pad, brake like that, and pump the brakes. It's like that how we reset the ECU. Keep pumping the brakes to reset the ECU. Like that we take all the juice from the system. Okay, so now we gotta go put everything back. So put everything back to its place like that and tighten the bolt. Okay. And let's go see what's happened after that. So now we gotta put the key in ignition. 2 clicks 4 and see all the lights go away. And the car start like normal. Even the car gonna start shift like better. And let's scan the car to see if this code starts showing up again or not. Turn off the car. Put the OBD. Put the key back to the ignition. 2 clicks 4. And we scan the car. So when you scan the car, don't scan the car just like what they call the regular admission, but you have to go to select and you go to scan all the module. Like that we can scan the EBS. Okay, because it's really difficult, guys, to show you with the, because LD doesn't show good. So we have to scan, go down all the way. We scroll down. We scanned all the module scan and say yes and scan it. So when it's scanned now, we're gonna be scanned everything, and we're gonna see if the code stays showing up or not. I'm sure this code is gonna go away because I did this many times. So let's show you after that what happened. So after you do all that, I have to when you scan back, when you go to EBS onto a brake system, you gotta find two code there. What you have to do, you have to reset it, and as soon as you reset, the code go away, and go underneath, and go to the what they call the fuse box. You have to get reset it too. Sometimes happen when the rain is heavy, and the box it has a like a place when the water go down. Here we go. It gets reset everything. No code anymore. So reset all this code. So everything's good now, guys. There we go. We're done, guys. So the car is done. Good to go, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we keep showing you more tricks. Stay up. So guys, gotta show you what I found before. I have what code I have before. The code I have before is for the EBS pressure sensor. I think this would cost me all this problem. So I gotta show you the location for this one. Stay with me, guys. So the location for the pressure sensor is this one here, guys. And I think this would cost me all this problem, U1000. So this one, guys, if the one day they pops up the code for that one, just replace that one, got the OEM parts, put it back to the car, and it should be work fine. Yeah, so just make sure the wire is good in place, nothing break. So guys, maybe I have to change that one to all this problem go away. So this was going on, guys, when you have G35 and Nissan 350Z. So guys, this one we have a 350Z G35. The issue for this car, ABS system, because a lot of problem. So that sensor, I think you have to be changed 100%. So this one keep costing me a lot of problem. So go ahead to our next video. I gotta buy the parts and I'll show you how to replace that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we keep showing you more tricks. A lot of people they've been watching the videos, you don't do likes or you don't subscribe to the channel. But no problem, sir. Thank you for watching and have a good one. See ya.